Alright, let's see. Let's build a burger right there. We got the bottom bun. And now. Oh, the pickles aren't on the bun like I thought they were. Oh, okay, the lettuce will be. Okay. And I think this is the burger. Oh, no, tomatoes! Oh, well, I mean... Okay, we didn't... We failed building a burger. Okay, let me try a second time. Okay, we're gonna get it the second time. Ready? Burger! We got one. Ready? Go. Oh, that's better, pickles. Ready? Go. Okay, the lettuce is good. Let's do our tomatoes. Oh, okay, we got tomatoes. Okay. Bun? No, not bun. The patty. Okay, can we get cheese? Cheese! Oh! He's a little lopsided. And is this gonna be the top bun?